Mars. Never thought I'd be back here. Our robot core unit has been assembled to suppress an uprising in one of the mining colonies on Mars. The Berner-Stubb mining company has made an official aid request to Neo Helsinki Central Command. Reports say that Hellraiser Militia has seized one of the biggest mining camps near Antoniadi Crater. This mining camp is the primary source of quartz from our Mars colonies. 30 years ago, our scientists at Neo Helsinki Science Institute discovered there's the only substance in our solar system that can store the vast amounts of data, what our core artificial intelligence requires. These worthless stones stored millions of years of geological data, but they were harnessed to store artificial intelligences. We call these modified stones soul prisms.
All drivers, report 101, code red. I repeat, code red.
So it begins. My return to the Red Planet. I hope I'll be back home soon. Better move to the hangar. Direwolf, start the activation sequence. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
All robot core units activate for operational landfall in T-minus 15 minutes.